Today in this tutorial, first of all, we learn about activity life cycle, how the activity works. So this is our previous app on which we already worked a lot, like how to add toast on a button and all. Now you have to add some more functions like on create, and now you add like on pause. There are six cycles for a activity: on create, then on start, then on resume, on pause, on stop, and on destroy. So first of all, we include on start. So now on start, just simply outside the on create, check here on create ends here. So after on create, add on start. So this will come on start and enter. Now after super dot on start, toast dot make text. Now this is not anonymous class, so simply write this here. As in the upper toast, we write class name here, activity name here, dot this. So this is anonymous class because we write in the inner part of a click listener. Now simply this, and what we want, this is start and toast dot length short dot show. Now this is on start. Then after start, this is check on add on resume. On resume, copy this. Simply only what here is resume. Now add simply on pause, paste it and right here pause. After on pause, add after on pause, add on stop. Simply paste it and edit as stop. After on stop, add the last one on destroy. This is on destroy. And now also add this toast to on create. This is what on create. Now simply run this app. This is our emulator. So, which emulator? First AVD we created. Run this emulator. So here now the emulator starts working. Check this. And now open the app. This is test app. Open the test app. Now check. Wait for a second. First of all, now run over this. Kill this. First of all, kill this. When I start this app, see, this is our test app. When I start this, first of all, which method is called? On create, then start, then resume. So first of all, activity is created, then starts, then resume. And when I kill this activity, suppose I am closing this app. So now what happens? This is pause, stop, and then what? Destroy. First of all, activity is paused, and same if we move this to another activity. Suppose let's say make an activity. So how we make a new activity? Just right click on this new activity and select any activity which you want. Suppose basic activity, and now name this activity as second activity. Finish. So this activity is created. Its layout name is activity second, and its Java class name is second activity, and its title is, we can change its title also from here. So this activity is created. Now, now I am applying on button click, move to another activity. I'll explain this code in next tutorial how I do this. Now intent I equals new intent. So it's intent, it shows error here because I cannot import this. So import this new intent from where main. Just see, I'll explain the intent code in next tutorial. Android Studio is working slow because Gradle builder is running. Main activity dot class, sorry, main activity dot this comma which second activity dot class and start activity I. So now run this app. Now this app is running. So the intent, what intent works here is intent moves from one activity to another activity. I use intent in button on button click listener. So when I click on button, it shows the hello text as a toast and it moves to another activity. And this is here on start, on resume, on pause. Please make in mind these functions: on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, and on destroy. So now see how it works. This is activity starts, and then on create method calls. After on create, on start method calls. After on start, on resume method calls. So now see here, first of all on create, then on start, then on resume. Now when I click on submit button, what happens? First of all, when I click on submit button, hello, and it moves to another activity, then it will pause and then stop. Now the app is not destroyed because I cannot close the app. Now when I move to another start, then another resume, now on create is not called because this activity is already created. And now I close the app. This is what, then pause, then stop, and then destroy because the app is closed. Now see this is activity starts, then on create, then on start, then on resume. This will clear. And now when activity is running, it remains in on resume state. When another activity comes in front of the activity, then on pause, then on stop, and if process is killed, then on destroy, activities shut down. So see, this is the flow chart for Android activity lifecycle. Now this is all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video.